Ria kigima mwanchu muriria wigeta sene genso kono gosemera kwane kwa bere kugotwara oburiria borobia kigima ni gocheragire chinse sato chabono morgoba asene robere wekiranu gokorentera mangana mayehu na bere kagwatika kora chinse mo aikaransa oikerinde ngomanye asenchira iyo boikiranu iria nenkerubo Frida na bali tokubotera na soko eneke una chibichani riogiria gwikira sore asenchira yabene nere Brian Achaka bakobwata na Felicitas Kabendi na boigo toldi toska tonyegera tiango toranyora mangana maya asenchira yoko ya chuta.
Muswada bwo korigereria abarendi batali be serikali gochebwa ikigwa bosio bwebunge Murobeli obo bwagachibwe chinyumba chiyo bararo asaboro kiwa Bakisi National Polytechnic gochakigwa litkolia rero
muri kunyu omoko bana mwaji kugora katepa mwaji kugora sotigi
abaremi komo chigwa asogotasira obwonya bwa machani abo
Mancho murieria ngo kwarigania elinde tosanga sobwamo gochaka bono iga goika omoelio ekerobo cholio boke asense ya Kenya borobiri gokorekana chitali kemeronge bere naisano na ibero mutinyo iga litkoria alamisi ikeyega nigomo konyi bomuraibe kiama gya Jubilee na boigole neganga yo kurigia kirgo kyoborai wensa so mwaka bwechiribu bere meronge bere netano nebere Dr. Freddy Matiang'i esokire na gukwanere goro yoborendi chinga kichobo choliobo okwana na bariki bamangana imeyo mochoye asensemo ya Simbauti ward ya Nyansiongo ebunge ya Warabwe county ya Nyamira litkolia rero nigo Matiang'i agikirige kora kyomo governor we county ya Trans Nzoia George Natembeya oyo chererwa na babegu na kogania ebyombe byoborendi gukora emirimo yabo yo kurigia ababebu abo baikeraneti ayo na kubabeka byara.
Unajua, by the way, tumeyazungumzia maneno kuhusu tume ya uchaguzi jana. Na jambo ambalo mimi ningeweza kuzungumza ni kuhusu usalama wakati wa uchaguzi na yale ambayo yanafanyika katika Jamhuri ya Kenya. Sometimes it's good to start on a positive point. I am happy when the IBC took the decision on Kaspul and those candidates and vile waliamua to find them. At least they have taken action. It's action in the right direction. Because you see, at all times during elections, people need to understand that we must keep law and order. And I want to speak about this issue with some understandable passion because I'm a former minister of security. I understand more than many what can go wrong in a country when you are not mindful about security and stability of the country. That is why you see I am very cautious and measured when I come to addressing security matters, because you cannot politicize security issues. Every one of us needs a stable country. Whether you are in the opposition or in government, you need a stable country. When things go south, they begin from very small gaps and small violations, where, for example, public officers and so on begin operating as though the law does not apply to them. And then slowly, you discover that you are courting disaster. There's something I'd like to say today here, and then I think I'll take the lines of the fact that I'm now in political participation so I can say it. Every time you talk to people in this country, the anger and pain down below is very, very, very deep. Very deep. People are very, very angry. The population is very angry, very frustrated. And with all these issues, including overtaxation, including some of the taxation measures that we have taken that are punitive, when you look at workers across the country are paying. The pay slip has been raided left, right, and center. So economic challenges are there for sure. Then add to that the unemployment issue. Then add to that, we have huge numbers of our young people who are unemployed who are out there and so on. If we engage in rhetoric that could inflame passions, we could very easily drive this country into chaos, very easily. By-elections and an electoral action such as is going on in the country is that one moment when all of us have to be very careful. Now, that is not the job of the the politicians alone or the actors. IBC is critical in this matter. And how IBC conducts itself and conducts the election is fundamental. So if IBC is going to look the other way around and allow voter bribery, blatant voter bribery that is going on by government, allow violence, such as we have seen, such as happened in Kabuchai, against the George Natembeya, and so on, we are
Ribirira ria gisiasa nigurie nikigwa ase chiro ya nyamaiya maiga yechinse moibere kumirana ase ogusira abarwandereri babiri Rombi Ntang'ani yarego kwanera gose yari koragwa no yogosira yokoliye kirgo kyobo MCA asense meri ya osegwetera ase kiama gya UPA Kristo Siemo eyarenge no mubunge Kitutu Masaba Clive Gesairo nabo igolyo Kitutu chache South Anthony Kibagendi nabo igo mubunge omukoro borabu Ben Momanyi nigo baumirana nabo bagosira umurwaneri ODM Martin Kibole bakoragwa no mubunge omochole w'ikiama gya ODM Irene Mayaka kurende aiga nigo mubunge Clive Gesairo aira chinga kichaye nabo igo koruterana chinsase nabali bako bamereria asobochole obo.
Mimi leo nataka kuhakikishia abantu babingo echama kilima kiapo chobarete lakini kikachakomo tayari na chonche na Kibagendi na barambo toega toyona mire mpari kawasu na wasegotama musitoroke hapa mko nyumbani abantu bako kusema watakabagosa mimi ndio protest yeye na bali bose bakora na mjetanda nasikia hapo bali wega tuwaterane tobe ketikura efektizo semo na candidate of Fred Okengo na yana bedroom yango na bedroom ya Fred tuwaterane Motolega tarehe 27 toende chukura toende chukura abantu bamito tushikane pamoja na ndio mama ziko kusimama toganse ino kama mtaenda soba ya mama karibu asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki Mwewe keremo ntoriende Ewe petisha ya yelo Ngome wake William Ruto yeye igere bitini Fred Okengo Matiang'i na William Ruto mpelwana ino Mwimarino hoteli mwagamba mwarageraho akiyekere ko arabeire mwewe sigara ngoperas moira menka inte tetidali 27 muboke mambia mwana munyakire ngaye tujye tondaga igano ijatanyinete mwana tujikira chinyinge ende mwana mabazagansokya Bonzo mwana ndoyanye maya Muslimu yetu hija ende yentokene ya kabiri yani mtumu mtamatiang ngomya simamatiangi kabisa yani kehemo to kabla simatiangi kibali 27 mabwanyi to gwakero osienu gwakero kabisa
Abalimi bekemeli giyechae kora chinsemo chabo basi county ya Kisii nigo basemigo igoro yebikore nabo igo amachiko babwenete ko bwatya lyokwaneke buna abalimi nkonyora bare ebona sinyinge magaya abalimi kurwa busi gokore tare yabo gochase county ya Nyandarua lyokonyora amaigelyo igoro yo bulimi no bulindi bwekemeli giyechae Nanya nabo nigo basabire kiombe gya KTDA kebakonye kuyatana na evaktoria itumbe kurwase evaktoria Nyamache elio babe bagwetenenera elio kubakonya konyora echiro nabo igo bonus ebwenerete Mulikeito Caroline Mausa na mange
Rituko ria rero nigo mu director kurwase factory ya Nyamachi na boige ya Itumbe Dr. Abel Kenyoru atware gikaro kia bene ni gatia barai kurwase chitundubari au imense moyetora abwase bono igatia bari banyarite ko baba okoretaro ya bene gutia se chinsemo chia east irikorigereria na se kichinseme chichiko bachigo tware bona sianene yechae abwase rituko ria rero batwara umusangerekano baigo gosemania igatie bintu biri banyara ko baba gororana baigo gwesemia ase chinseme chiria bari miborogongorwa gusi banyare ko baba kuiga erikwenekia buna ngo babali bagokinigwa ebonus yabo yechae
mbale twatumete bakagenda east bachikororanga ngakibuli miguri abarabwe bache bakwanira bali mibande batotebi na inkiti yabaro batebri bamunya koroski ki task force chi factory ye monga mutagetebe separate rosia a task force here national a correct policy and guidelines for all factories which are subsidiaries tumanyenga a factory onye kole subsidiary igo komenye miaka gete endo ruwe miaka gete use procedure yokorua nere ye 1 2 3 4 tutuare egento kere standing a policy and guideline ekina kitua bateri abale mia bange nani numura abale mibamento omogo tupule mu mwata anga ba director na ubari etikibe aba director na uba komeki kibe so to komeki ase chae tuaonia echaire quality yage na mumu inwe buna abale minko nyimore chae ino kwanza muri konyo omoko bana mwachi kugora ketepa mwachi kugora sotigiti mwati gaitumbe mwati ganyamaji bona ngakia otari party yo ota contribute ku kiase chai ne bona yagera turi kugora chai yao na chire ko batei monye chai metu ya ino yasinye omoko genda mwachi mwagenda tukonywe chai ya ino ya chai ya bande na omoko agacha kuchikiri chai
kwana na abaliki bamang'ana ase chinsemo chietora niga abalimi abo bono asobwa mo bagisabire kiombe gia KTDA kenyare ko bagiguyatana na factory ya Nyamachi kurwase ya Itumbe erikwenekia buna kere factory nkobere gegwetenera
gotule anda Nyamachi subsidiary lakini abalimi baito mbatagete tobe separate tokolega ase yintu tweka na intwaka nitubesa kito buna abantu baitumbe factory kina pio patagi we kambar wanere and to make sure factory yaito ya bere separated so mwako yo so mwako gocha
mibami ntutu ababekire buya twagenda instant tukuri no buri migore twariyo tukarango buri miboro echae yankire buno banki to mwano to metagete to Nyamachi to Itumbe na nki to kale bintu bitu muno mumura bwatiru buri mubwaye utakete kwagacha n'abantu baye intu turabere mekiya abantu paka kaririri
twasoma munabaria bakurende icha yabo na intu otutegete ari twarusi ororo turate abalimi baito tugeba terita banga bari na management ye factory baje tu utare G5 center to batebia itu aro chororo igo muna bami to batebire ndori kumoye gekogera nonya bonus yagetense igo togote banga twegwananire na korunsa abalimi paka management na bategeta baito muna togotore cha ingi ya matabiri ne nkoro na ndi twabatebire na barabwe karwa ko gende cha ko ndi factory management nero erore cha yeto se salikere factory egerebe buya kurunsa paka egende paka boni bujiko babuya muna bono kuna kugutore omasenete gose okinyuri kurwari kenyene kuna gukwani gore yecha oyo mtotonya toto kurwa igakisi na ngora gukwana ale bono lakini enda bachumbe baito bagusi ndore umoko babwate singaki inumute de kwegera bali baito muna tu akorera unse na intu akamarieke na iko atoko someria abana na ige gutolenda abana bana baje kwanda sukure sengi no twako kujibesa mubwate sia bachumba ubakobori na ndira baswati bakobori abagaka no muri numukirete mutako abwate sia bachumba abaita abagaka kurugusi na ndi kitubwate na management kurwega na abaterita baito morole na intu bage president uchiade intu nyore kemirike tokonye
orwa etora ginko reporter ya Mayane Soko TV Ritariane Mausa Caroline
Ekiumbe gya serikali gyekoligiriria abalindi batali be serikali gya Private Security Regulatory Authority kyaliganiria omuswada bogochagoikiwa ase bunge oyokoligereria amaganio y'abalindi batali abe serikali okwana kuraso mucho Nairobi meya magacho AKICC n'abarayibe ekiumbe ekyo kinga kibaegwa amaganio y'ebyumbe bitali be serikali asibalire eira amaganio ayo gochikoligererirwa obwikirano Mulikito Linet Nyambane n'abakagotwariganiria orobotiro kobwatia
Kiombe kyo nigo kiarigania egeikaro kyo gusangereria ebirengererio kurwa ase abarendi abo batari abe serikali ase bakwaneire ebirenga bine ebibiguchya kwene kyango ikerana bire egati yabo richikorio kurigereria abarendi abo ebitambokero bigochya kubwatigwa chingaki bagochora ababwatani ase bodi yabo ogotumeka kweminyama chingaki cyo borendi boigo omoroberio bwechibesa cha retirement.
We've just had a joint public participation exercise for the regulations, Private Security Regulations 2025. Those are comprised of 4 aspects. We have the general regulations, we have use of animals, procedure for appointment of board members.
We spent a lot of time, several security bodies, the Kenya Security Industry Association, the Protective Security Industry Association, one called PROSAC, ASIS, North Rift Security Firms Association. We all sat down for 2 days in Mombasa, working through line by line, discussing every aspect of security. We didn't finish there. We again had to meet again a few select members to talk to the PSRA board to show them that this is what we want. So after all that, this is what we came up with.
Abarai bekiombe kyo gya Private Security Regulatory Authority batebire nigo baguchya koira ebirengererio byo ase omwaziri bw'oborendi bw'Imeyense Kipchumba Murkomen oyora chigoikia ebirengererio byo ase bunge.
After this, now we have done our work. We hand it over to PSRA. We will fine tune it today. We look at the comments which have come in to see whether we need to adjust any issues. But once we are done with the draft, we hand it over to PSRA, and that is now the next step of how laws are done.
Once these have been incorporated, then we'll move ahead. We'll subject them or we'll submit them to the Ministry of Interior and National Administration at the CS office, Honorable Kipchumba. Then from there, it is the CS duty to take them to the parliament.
Egati yabarendi abo baikerana nigo bakwaneire ari baganetie arigerirwe asobwagare.
We registered an organization, Kenya Private Security Association, in the state law office, to be precise, society. Now this organization will have a mandate. The main purpose of this organization is to push the agenda, the welfare, the issues, social welfare, social protection, issues to do with this benevolent, retirement, sickness, many issues that affect us as officers on the ground. We are going to share them. We are going to debate on them.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV imeomocho Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Omwaka bw'ekiri bubere 2023 nigo muraibwense muske Dr. William Ruto asetara ya imeomocho Bosongo alieteira gwetera omurobiri w'obwagachi bw'ekinyomba ky'erigorirense kwagacha kinyomba cy'oburaro cyaborokiwa b'eskuru y'obubundi ya Kesi. Litkolia lero nigo mujumbe w'ensemo y'ebunge anyalibali chache Zahir Chanda ainanire umunyakonda ensemo yogocha kwagacha kinyombe ekyo chimisano na isato asentunde ntangani nakogania chake emirimo limolioka naboigo kumobolia ainekibna ngoena nale amabaga yemirimo asabamenye bensemeyo nigo botenene bw'eskuru eyo bakoragwa n'umunyakirogo mungeri mireri naboigo omworoki omonene John Akola amo n'umurai bw'aborokigwa abaireneria umurai bw'ense mbiyamono ase okubakonya oburaro bw'aborokigwa abo bagenda komentekana ase eskuru eyo Petro Machini na mange.
Umurai bw'ense ya Kenya muske Dr. William Ruto nigo mwaka w'ekirubere na 2023 asitara yaye meyo mucho Bosongo arietera wetero muruberio bubagachi gwechinyomba chirigurire inse kwagacha chinyomba chuburaro chaborokiwa weskuru yobobundi ya Kisii. Litskoria rero nigo mochumbe webunge ya Nyaribari chacho Musikeza Ijanda ainanire umunyakonde nsema yogo chakwaga chinyomba chimisano na isato asentunde ntangani na kugania acha kemere muri morioka na boigo komoburia ainekia bantu benseme yo nkobare mirimo.
As you guys are aware, some time back when His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya, visited the Kisii National Polytechnic, he made some commitment that the government will be able to do about 5,000 villages for the students. And here we are today, looking at least around 800 for the first phase. I can assure you we will have more and more. So to the President and the government of the Republic of Kenya, ours is to say thank you. The contractor is on site. We want to ask the contractor to please give an opportunity to the people of Nyaribari Chache to get jobs during this period.
Sinsemo yobotendwe sukuru yo bakora wano mnyakerogo mongen mirieri no morokyo monene John Akola nikubaira iro mogokobo asinyombecho chirachigo konya asoburendi bwa borokiwa abo bagendetse comment kana.
This occasion was meant for the inauguration of the start of the affordable houses for this college.
Kisii National Polytechnic has 16,600 students, of which we are only housing 400. Today, we are glad as Kisii National Polytechnic that through our area member of parliament, the President has granted us an opportunity to construct 800 capacity student village. We want to say thank you very much. We want to say thank you very much to the Ministry of Housing for also allowing Kisii National Polytechnic to start the project today.
We want to tell you, Mheshimiwa, as you go back to the President, tell them we are very grateful as Kisii National Polytechnic. And we are sure that with you, whatever projects that are pending, you will fulfill them.
Today, we are handing over the site to the contractor who will do the construction of the student village at a contract period of 16 months. We want to say thank you very much, Mheshimiwa, our area member of parliament, for standing with Kisii National Polytechnic and having visited us here last week. And we requested him to prevail upon the President so that we can have the hostel, so that we can improve the security of our students. And today, less than 1 week, we are standing here handing over the site for the construction of 800 hostel capacity for students.
Nigo bairanirie mbia etarine kerengo ucha somra ibwense na boigo Musikejanda sigetambukerekyo.
We want to take this opportunity to thank the President, His Excellency, for allowing this project to be constructed at Kisii National Polytechnic.
I want to take this opportunity to thank our Excellency the President through our Member of Parliament, Saidi Chanda, for fulfilling this pledge that was given in the year 2023.
As the Kisii National Polytechnic, in charge of students, my name is Peter Mogaka. I'm the student president for this institution. Mine is to appreciate to the government for giving us these hostels to our institution. For us, we are happy for the Mheshimiwa Saidi Chanda. As you are going to sit with the Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto, tell him we are together and we are going to work with him. As the Kisiis, we love him too much and we want to assure him that it is 2 term.
Kuripoteria Ensoko TV kuroiga siskuru yokwa na maigiri yobobundi ya Kisii me yomochobo songo nchempethuel Machin.
Mwaziri w'ekisemi Julius Ogamba nigagokera igitambukiro gya serikali asokobwatirana na Malaysia elyo gutinya ebirengo by'ekisemi okwana mu Prime Minister o Malaysia Yabdato Seri nigo airira obuya bw'ekisemi asogoseria obutakana kwenekebuna aborokigwa bange bali bakorwa ase chinka kitali kwenyara nigo bakonyekire gwetera kisemi asokwenyorera amabaga boigo nigo gamba enekebuna aborokigwabo nigo barenyorere scholarship ase chiskuru helyo konyora amaigerio ayara bakonye asamatko abosio.
Permit me at the outset to express our deep appreciation to Education Malaysia Global Services and the Ministry of Higher Education of Malaysia for partnering with our Ministry of Education Kenya in convening this important forum. This collaboration underscores the enduring friendship and growing partnership between Kenya, Malaysia, and the wider African region. Kenya and Malaysia enjoy warm and long-standing bilateral relations founded on shared values of mutual respect, cooperation, and a common vision for development. In the field of higher education, our collaboration has grown steadily, marked by student exchanges, academic partnerships, and policy dialogue between our institutions. Indeed, we are looking forward to conducting and concluding a memorandum of understanding in higher education and TVET between our two nations.
There's no way we can emerge and be more successful without that social mobility. Malaysia had some very effective affirmative policies and programs. There are excesses when it comes to business operations. You allow for people who are probably less qualified or incompetent. So there has been, of course, this critical debate, polemics, on affirmative action. But in terms of education, no question. The children from the poorest communities have emerged as new professionals, engineers, or doctors, or teachers because of the opportunity given in education. So to my mind, it is not only in terms of acquisition of knowledge, but also to ensure that there is this mobility, the social mobility, and to close the inequity, and the gap between the ruling elite and the masses.
Maiga y'ekiumbe gya Kenya Union of Journalists gokora ubutukiri kumanya nase kya baralia basubati babwate omubaro omoke yakorenganiwa na baralia basacha niga bateneneri korwa ase kiumbe kyo baligania egeikaro kya matuko abere na baralia imeye county ya Nyamira iliko basemya igoro yokurenda ekerobare yokwerenda ekerobarase emirimo yogosaka amangana amaya nabo igo chinjera cyo gwetanga korwa asensemo ya sexual discrimination eyo yarokanire koba egetango ekenene gochia asabaralia abasubati ekeroba gukora emirimo yabo yo gusaka korengana na machibu korwa ase ekiombe kyo nanya nabo nigegatia barali babasabira batenene libe bitaseni abichitibe nabo igochiretyo kubwatrana ne kiombe kyo na kubeka emirobelio ya bene lyakwene kyabuna obugima bwa baralia anene mono bumuralia omusubati ngo babule bokurendwa ekero agokora obutuki bwaye.
Pata kuna utafiti imefanywa research inaonyesha sexual harassment sio hiyo duruma ya kijinsia sio kwa sababu mtu ni mkubwa na mdogo wake, wakati mwingine ni kuonyesha hiyo muscle power. Ati mimi niko na nguvu kushinda wewe, because kuna effects of sexual harassment zinafanya watu wale wamefesi hicho kitendo wanakuwa na psychological impact, emotional, and sometimes wanaacha kazi. So ukienda kama college za journalism unapata wanawake ndio wengi, wasichana. Lakini ukienda kwa media house unapata ni wanaume wamejaa. So hii mafunzo yetu tulianza ndio kwanza tujue kwa nini wanawake wanapotea kuingia like first year, by second year, third year wametoka newsroom. So tukapata sexual harassment ni moja yao, discrimination hiyo kama ni promotion, training, unapata ni wanaume wanapewa, wanawake wanaambiwa hey, wewe enda linda watoto kwanza ndio tuangalie maneno yako. So then tukapata issue ya safety kama mwanamke kuna stories zingine wesi ukafanya kama usiku, na some of these stories ndio zinakufanya wewe kama journalist byline yako ama jina lako lionekane, ndio hata ugrow professionally.
Disconnect between unions and organizations supporting journalists, pia na wamiliki wa vyombo vya habari, kwa sababu wamiliki wako hapa in business na wanataka kumaximize on profits, na wajui kwamba kuna issues za mental health, kuna issues za sexual harassment, security in the field, na hapa ni mahali wanafaa kuinvest sana, including wakati tunaenda kama riots hivi. Most media houses hawana ile security gear ya kuenda nayo field. We bora tu uende field na ulete story. So ombi langu ni kwamba organizations kama Kenya Union of Journalists, Kenya Correspondents Association na zingine waje pamoja na waungane na media houses, watengeneze policy ambayo ina guide the safety and operation of journalism in the country, and if there is that document, then it should be updated so that it's in line with the current and emerging issues.
Kwa kweli nimefurahia mafunzo ambayo tumeweza kupata kwa siku hizi mbili, ambapo tumeweza kuzungumzia mafunzo juu ya dhuluma za kijinsia, haswa sisi wanahabari wenye ni wanawake au wasichana, naweza sema baadhi yazo zikiwa ni sexual harassment kutoka kwa wakubwa wetu, maybe pale kazini ama wanasiasa, na kati ya watu wengine wenye tunaweza kukumbana nao katika harakati zetu pale tukitafuta habari huko nje. Katika hili swala la dhuluma za kijinsia, kwa kweli ni swala ambalo linafaa kuangaliwa sana kwa undani, kwa sababu sisi kama wanahabari wanawake tunaweza tunalipitia katika kila siku tukiwa katika harakati za kutafuta habari, na ningependa sana hiki chama cha Kenya Union of Journalists kiweze kuingilia kati kuangalia jinsi kitaweza kusuluhisha tatizo hili kwa undani kabisa, kuhakikisha ya kwamba vitendo kama hizi zinaweza kuwa zimepunguzwa, na pia wenye kufanya hizo vitendo za sexual harassment waweze kufuatiliwa na pengine kufikishwa hadi kotini.
Ujumla wa wamiliki wa vyombo vya habari ni kuhakikisha kwamba mazingira ya kufanyia kazi ni bora na kuepusha hali ya tuseme wafanyakazi ama kina dada kudhulumiwa wakiwa kazini. Kuna dhuluma nyingi ambazo zinaripotiwa ama zinafanyika katika vyombo vya habari ama kule kazini, lakini hazijitokezi kwa sababu labda mtu anaona kwamba akisema kwamba kuna kitu ambacho kimemkabili, ama amehujumiwa na mfanyakazi mwenzake, ama amehujumiwa na msimamizi wake ama yule bosi anayemsimamia, labda huenda akapoteza kazi. Kwa hivyo ingekuwa bora zaidi kama wamiliki wa vyombo vya habari wangeangalia waone jinsi ambavyo maslahi ya mfanyakazi wao, maslahi ya huyu dada anayetekeleza majukumu yake kila siku, maslahi ya mimi ninayejituma kuhakikisha kwamba wananchi wanapata habari yanatunzwa.
Abarai bakubwatesia serikali gusuguma emirobeli yae kurwa sorgongo rwa gusi ni gobairari bagari abori tkoria rero na kukumurariria guse komwa okoboko muraneri bwikirgo kyobo MCA we ward yekerenyo Moske Francis Amenya Ndube asegetigie skuru yoboroso ya Ikonge bakoragwa muno mujumbe bwensemo yebunge ya North Mugrango Joash Nyamoko na boigoyo kitutu cha North Jafeth Nyakundi amano yo South Mugrango Silvana Siosoro nigo baburira bantu kurwa se ward yekerenyo imeyebunge ya North Mugrango komwa amagoro muraneri Amenya ilio abakorere emirimo ase ensemeye mulikito Vincent Monda noroboti urwo
Neri tukolio moelio aselirie kiombe kia wacholi amone chimbebe IEBC ebegete lio gokora wake kokoyechi campaign ya sobocholi oboke ubugendreta sichwadi au imeyense abara ibe serikali ya Kenya Kwanza na baroboni ko bajirira ilio kwene kyabuna tibali gusiekererwa batara kwana mona bananchi kibara somo yegoyo Moske Jerusha Momanyi niga basabira abakichikura baene kibuna ngolinda bali chikura chiole ba kira mabuta
inukoma wasoka mwake kura saa 12 Momanya basoka isikaja mona bategezi ngatikura cheto ntigendere tabija Mulende ya toigwana nire kate tikura tokome kane tia menyo nande tobwato montonde ituna ba Francis Amenya moto ere tikura chionsi mobeke imbe makibateba
abantu babinde unamwai ura samaria nangoro kuchafet mokanya kundi inchelo mochumbo kitutu chache not na ino moga chibwe kiame kekekoro kunga UDA mwachera ndetobwate si Amenya mwachera ndetobwate si Amenya onde bwesi ole moya teba mina igongo bwate stole Amenya kabisa 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 aki moto liera aki moto gaini aki momo liera aki momo gaini aki baba saba aki
Omobunge Osauti Mukirango Silvana Siosoro nigo nera sabiro Muska Amenya kagochorwa akorera abantu be wodi ya Kerenyo egasi na ndetegemeria kero bamochorire
intuga ikonge twacha kubatehige ntekemo chikura mutaito taite moe omugako yo ikarase tari Amenya nchiriko nyamoko mo inu moe echinde totigere twamanyire na kitoko chirigia next week nayo kogenderera ne wiki ende ne yende utagenderereti ogochaka kuogererwa matange kero kwa orokire abante bakogoseri tobeka omnyiti mobuko tochaka gotenga bono nchenda ta goikaransa bono nagungwarire naligere lyo mongiro bwatero mongiro mwaro utaseri bantu togoseri bantu baba abantu tigabacha banyoro ngoli ne bali kairo obogimona babore igase siaseye lazima wancha abantu tulikunya kogwe kongya
abawakirishi babasubati kuruchi kaunti chito chansi cha Kisii na Nyamira naende mpaira libaga na gwakire ko serikali yo Muske William Samoei Ruto asomo yegoyo
tebwati mabere korubono baka 2027 omuntu bwata mabere ne serikali ya Kenya kwanza eko red na William Samoei Ruto ituto ko basororana gaki intwe etwateba iga botuko mugaso etore serikali nande ntolikoboa nyamoko na sabere liwei transport ya toitire para nechi accident etureni etokobogorie mesigo twaru Nairobi twacha twakore biashara ka Kiruto akabaye university okay abantu bagotebe TV inge university ne right yaito inki moya darwerete university Nyamira inki kebaki darwerete university Nyamira orungi darwerete university Nyamira kaki arafu Ruto otoire likatogo tebarende mbuya mono nande tomanya gotebanga eine yaki yaito
inkolere igonya mwante tamenya kati ngonya renda Amenya reri Amenya
Vincent Monda Ensoko TV.
Serikali ya Kenya na Malaysia nigo yabikire eseyo kuigwana elio gukora oboncheria amo unenchereyemo yokorenta amagendro imense ya Kenya okwana umuraibwense William Ruto nigaenekia ogosira na gwichinse chibere gwetira oboncheria okoigeka enibo obotinya chisemi amo no botumeki bwechinchira chekerero asimitandao elio koegenderia murikito Deborah Kirubo no robot yoruo.
Serikali ya Kenya na Malaysia nigo chiabekire seiyo kuiwanana iliogokore biasaramo unenchereye moyo kolenta magenderero imeyense mawaziri manene o Malaysia uyo manyakanete buna Anwar Ibrahim uyo imeyense ya Kenya setarobene niga yatogirio muroberio bwe serikali bubwagachiwe chinyomba chiri golirianse kolengana nere muroberio yo nigo gochia kokonya bataka abo batabwatyo bamenye konyora se baramenye
like you is very passionate about poverty alleviation, about housing for the poor, for the masses. And when I learned this ambitious program, over 150,000 units of housing, affordable housing and housing for the poor, I mean, this exemplifies the spirit of a remarkable leadership, not only striving for power, but to make sure that the power is utilized fully in the true spirit of the Kenyatta struggle to champion and assist your people. So that to me is more pronounced than the other issues that we will deliberate tomorrow, which include, of course, areas like investments and trade to enhance. There's no excuse whatsoever for Malaysia and Kenya not to work together to enhance our bilateral relations and the trade investments.
Omurai Bwense William Ruto uyukwana sege karekyo nikaene kyo kagenderera kubwaterana ninse ya Malaysia chinga Kenya na Malaysia chaiwere chigosirana asokorenta magenderero weturo bonchiriliano kwegeke nibo chisemi amone chinchira chekerero chemitandao.
We look forward to walking this path alongside Malaysia, drawing from the friendship, shared inspiration and aspirations, and the rich experience your nation has gained on its own journey of transformation. As I told you, Mr. Prime Minister, I have been to your great country 3 times on private visit because I have read a lot about Malaysia, and it was something that inspired me to even think about many of the things that today we are doing in Kenya, including your housing plan.
Ukwana sege karekyo Ibrahim nikaene kyo kubwaterana wense ya Kenya na Malaysia chinga kibone nse yo yerure kolenta magenderera sense ya Kenya kolengana no murai bwense nigarachie kogendereria umuroberio buko bekense mo shilingi 5 trillion iryo kwene kya Kenya nkonyara barobo koreri bwenerete igati yabo obolemi obwagachibwe kibara amono kobeka chinguru cyomuliro.
We will share the little expertise we have in semiconductor, E&E, and we're sure we can learn from you, because although the site in terms of development is maybe more recent than ours, but with your determination, I think you will be a star in Africa.
We are advancing our Kenya shillings 5 trillion plan to invest in our people, expand agricultural productivity, build world-class infrastructure, and power our industries with reliable, abundant energy.
Deborah Kirubo, Ensoko TV.
Murai kiama gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigagikeire bikoro byo guturubania chingaki akora etaro yaye me county ya Narok eliko mwako boko murwaneria Douglas Masikonde nonyama igayo gutangwa n'abanyanyimbo ni Gachagua aikirana ase ensemeyo na komochia serikali asogutumika chinguru gwetania ekerengo elio kumutanga chingaki cyoboigo nigaburia bamenyibo rogongo rowodi ya Narok Town kubasira iliyokonyora obobwi.
Hii ujinga mumefanya leo ndio itafanya Masikonde apite asubuhi. Si ndio? Si ndio? Atapita. Mimi nimeona hii siasa ya kasongo ya ujinga, ya fujo, ya kupiga watu mawe ni siasa ambayo imepitwa na wakati. Si ndio? Si ndio? Wangapi wanasema Masikonde. Si ndio? Sisi tutauziwa wanga kweli? Hata mkitupa mawe, kura ya watu ya Narok mtafanyia nini? Si kura muko naye? Si mnapigia Masikonde? Bona wewe Ole Ntutu na Kasongo mnataka kulazimisha watu ya Narok ati wapigie mtu yenu kura? Kwani kura itapigwa na nguvu? Harambee! Masikonde anatosha atoshi? Aingie asiingie? Hii ujinga Kasongo muko naye ndio itafanya wewe kuwe one term. Si ndio? Harambee! Kasongo ni one term, si one term. Ole Ntutu ni one term, si one term. Masikonde asiingie?
Habarai bagusire kiama gya UDA ni gobaikirana sensemo ya Malava iliyoko mukoboko murwaneri bwikirgo cy'ububunge David Ndakwa okwana Faruk Kibeti amonomokonyi b'umugabana okakamega Ayub Zafula ni goba buli abamenye bensemeyo wesokya asobonge iliyokwenekya obubwe nakogenda konyora amagendero.
maendeleo ndio tunataka. Huyo ndako akuja ajenge shule, barabara, stima, na ni aibu sana. Ni aibu, haja nirudie, ni aibu kwamba stima hakuna sehemu hii. Na mimi najua ndako anajua program ile iko. Mtu ya Kenya Power atakuja hapa awekee watu stima. Wangapi wanasema ni ndako? Wacha nione kwa mkono, wacha nione kwa mkono. Na unajua kura, hata wengi wenu hapo muko mnahakikisha kwamba wazazi wanatoka mapema ili waende wapige kura. Malambura. Na kwa sababu akishinda maendeleo inafika hapa nyumbani.
Mimi nataka on 27th muamuke mapema, muende mpigie kura serikali. Na kura ya serikali inaenda kwa nani? Kura ya serikali inaenda kwa nani? Ndio ndakwa amalize ile miradi Mheshimiwa Malulu Injendi alikuwa ameanza. Lakini wale wengine wakija hapa ni mdomo tu, makelele. Imagine, mimi nataka kuambia watu wa Malava. Kulikuwa na DCP candidate hapa, alikuwa anaitwa nani? Hata hamjui jina. Si ndio hivyo? Hamjui yeye jina. Akatoka kwa res. Bahati mbaya babaka akakufa. Kijana wenyu hapa wakili, babaka akakufa. Ule mtu mdosi wa hiyo chama, badala hata kukuja matanga peke yake aseme pole, anapiga simu kwa mtandao, anasema sikizeni simu. Na yeye yuko huko kwa Wakikuyu huko. Huyo ni mtu wa kufuata kweli? Malava sisi tutembee na jirani yetu hapa William Samoei Ruto. Tumpatie second term. Ndio hivyo? Na barabara ya kupatia William Ruto second term ianzie hapa Malava. Mmekubali tuanze hiyo safari? Hapa Malava. Kupitia kwa Mheshimiwa Ndakwa. Tutapatia Ndakwa kura zote. Alafu tusonge 2027 tupatie William Ruto.
Homo PS Julius Bitok na Waiguri wa Finance Chris Kipto na mjumbe webunge ya Kilgoris Julius Sunkuli ni gati ya baraibande nigo besokire ilikuigerera serikali na kweneke bunanigo Dr. William Samoei Ruto agendete gukora emirimo emiya ya magendero ime yenseito ya Kenya okwana asumo igabo gukora umuchango bukwagacha ekanisa ime ya Shiratuka Kilgoris Central County ya Narok nigo baereire gatie emirobiri omurai bwensa agendete gukora ase wizara y'ekisemi naboigo emirobiri yogokeya ogokonga kw'obugima naboigo ase ensemo yogokinia ebirengo by'obwonchereria.
Mambo ya CBC wala CBE imeshika laini. Mambo ya universities imeshika laini. Mambo ya TVET imeshika laini. The state of education in Kenya is strong. Investment ambayo serikali inaweka ni mingi. Kuandika walimu 1,100. Kujenga madarasa 23,000. Kufanya mambo mingi kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wetu wanafanya nini? Wanasoma. Juzi penye mmesikia mheshimiwa amesema, juzi tumeweza ku clean the data katika Ministry of Education. Sasa tuko na the accurate number of students, number of schools, number of learners. We have very accurate data. Now going forward, mambo ya capitation itafika on time because we shall be relying on accurate data on the number of students. Mheshimiwa Rais amejitolea sana ili atengeneze maneno ya elimu katika taifa la Kenya. Ndiposa mnasikia pesa chungu nzima imewekwa. Tuko sahi 700 billion. Ruto alipochukua juzi ilikuwa 500 billion. Sahi we are at 700 billion budget every year. Na inaendelea kuongezeka. Na kuna partners wengi ambao wanafanya mambo ya elimu.
Yetu sasa pia ni number 6, imeimprove from number 8 sahi ni number 6 katika Afrika. Na growth rate yetu iko juu. Na pia mambo ya riba ilikuwa juu, imeteremka chini. Foreign exchange imeenda sasa tuko karibu $12 billion. Na hiyo nyinyi watu wa Narok mmechangia, sababu mambo ya tourism inanawiri hapa Masai Mara. Na kwa hivyo asanteni sana kwa kazi mzuri mnafanya. Nikimaliza niseme kwamba shilingi yetu pia ilikuwa imeanguka dhamani, lakini leo imedhabiti, iko sawa na iko stable. Na kwa hivyo nataka kusema Ile ilikuwa ngumu, sasa tumetoa na kule mbele mambo ni sawa.
Watu wa Kilgoris constituency wengi wao walikuwa katika chama cha KANU wakapiga kura, lakini sasa sisi sote tuko nyuma ya Daktari William Ruto na tutamsupport, and we want to urge the people of Kenya that it is very, very important to preserve the country as one. Mtu akienda kwake asifikiri kwamba kura zote za Kenya ziko katika nyumba yao. Tunahitaji kila nyumba na kila mtu katika kura ya Kenya.
Kila mwezi ile pesa ya Inua Jamii inakuja hapa ni milioni 50 kila mwezi. Ukipiga mara na 12 utapata idadi gani tunaacha hapa katika huo mradi wa Inua Jamii. Hivi karibuni tutakuja kuongeza tena nikipewa ruhusa na profesa mwenye pesa, akinipa pesa hiyo nitakuja tena niongeze, ili wale ambao wamefika miaka alafu wafanye nini? Wafike hiyo miaka. Hapa Kuria sisi tunashangaa baada ya 2032 rais atakuwa nani? Sisi hatuongei mambo ya 2027. 2027 imelainika tayari, kila mtu anajua kule Kuria ya kwamba ni William Samoei Ruto. Hapa kwenu mnasema ni nani?
Mwanjo muriyeria kurwa soroboti uru ni gutugwikira omoeli obukumurikira amang'ana maya gukuganiria obotuko obyatumira rituko ria ankyo enseyemo na bwego chinse sato cha mugoroba ekero turabe tugusanga amange imeya maya yensoko TV ria nenkerubo Frida na balto wetre na soko enekebuna chibichanili ogiria gukira sole asinchira ya bene nere Felistas Kabendi bakobwate na Joshua Nyauma na bwego Brian Achaka.